Building a comprehensive 72-hour emergency kit. In times of disaster or emergency, having a well-prepared bug-out bag can be a lifeline. A bug-out bag is a portable kit containing essential items needed to survive for up to 72 hours. Whether you're facing natural disasters, evacuations, or unforeseen crises, this essay will outline the key essentials to include in your bug-out bag to ensure your safety and well-being during the critical initial period of any emergency. The purpose of a bug-out bag. Immediate survival. A bug-out bag is designed to provide you with the essentials for immediate survival, including food, water, shelter, and first aid supplies. Mobility. It should be easily portable, allowing you to quickly evacuate and move to a safer location if necessary. Self-sufficiency. A well-packed bag makes you less reliant on external resources during emergencies. 2. Core essentials. Water. Include water bottles, purification tablets, or a portable filter to ensure access to safe drinking water. Food. Pack non-perishable, high-energy items like energy bars, canned goods, and freeze-dried meals. Shelter. A compact, lightweight tent or emergency bivvy provides protection from the elements. Clothing. Include weather-appropriate clothing, including thermal layers, rain gear, and spare socks. First aid kit. Assemble a comprehensive first aid kit with bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, and any necessary medications. 3. Fire-making tools. Fire starter. Carry waterproof matches, a butane lighter, or fire starter rods for warmth, cooking, and signaling. Tinder. Include fire-starting tinder, like cotton balls soaked in petroleum jelly, to ignite fires in adverse conditions. IV. Navigation and communication. Map and compass. A map of the local area and a compass can help you find your way. Communication devices. A battery-powered or hand-crank emergency radio, along with a whistle and signaling mirror, can help you stay informed and signal for help. Versus illumination. Headlamp or flashlight. Provide a reliable light source with extra batteries to navigate in the dark. V. Tools and multifunctional gear. Knife or multi-tool. A sturdy knife, folding saw and multi-tool can be invaluable for various tasks. Paracord. A length of paracord can serve multiple purposes, from building shelters to securing gear. Duct tape. Wrap several feet of duct tape around a small card for repairs and improvisation. 7. Personal hygiene and sanitation. Sanitation supplies. Include toilet paper, wet wipes, and plastic bags for waste disposal. Soap and towel. Compact soap and a microfiber towel facilitate hygiene. 8. Personal documents. Identification. Photocopies of important documents, passport, driver's license, birth certificate, stored in a waterproof bag. Cash. Small denominations of cash can be essential in emergencies where electronic payments are unavailable. IX. Self-defense. Self-defense tools. Depending on your comfort level, consider including self-defense tools like pepper spray, a personal alarm, or even a compact firearm if legally permitted. X special considerations. Medications. If you have prescription medications, pack a supply in your bag. Infant and pet supplies. If you have infants or pets, include diapers, baby food, formula, and pet food as needed. Comfort items. A small comfort item, like a family photo or a book, can provide emotional support during stressful times. Conclusion. A well-prepared bug-out bag is a crucial component of your emergency preparedness plan. By assembling the essentials mentioned above in a compact and portable kit, you can ensure your safety and survival for up to 72 hours in various emergency scenarios. Regularly review and update your bug-out bag to account for changing needs and circumstances. Remember, the goal is to be self-sufficient and ready to respond effectively to unexpected challenges, allowing you and your loved ones to stay safe during critical moments.